So I decided to put together a couple short videos of a walk around I did in June of 2021 of a junkyard located in Wymore, Nebraska. It's an old school kind of Nebraska junkyard, which honestly in this day and age, thanks to the EPA mandates and everything else, is honestly getting harder and harder to come across. The amount of iron that they have down there is pretty staggering. If you Google them and look at them from the maps, it's staggering how big this junkyard actually is. I just put together something. I will have a couple different video clips. This is the first of 3 that I'll put together. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, shoot me a message on YouTube and I'll try and answer it best as possible. But hopefully you enjoy and have a good one. At this point, we're driving through Beatrice, Nebraska, not to be confused with Beavis and Butthead going, damn it, Beatrice. But fun fact, with Beatrice, they used to have a massive Neapco plant making a whole bunch of U-joints and whatnot. I drove past the old plant and looks like it's been long closed. Kind of sad, but these are just some wandering clips of the drive down to Wymore, Nebraska. Here I'm coming up off of Highway 77 just south of Wymore and headed straight onto gravel. Fun fact for anybody that comes down this road, there's a bridge coming up that you really do want to watch your speed on. I didn't get it on video, but my truck got some nice airtime hitting that bridge. Right now, here we are covering the front section of the yard. Just kind of give you an idea. This is the stuff just sitting out by the front of the yard along the road. The amount of American iron in this place is kind of surreal when you sit and look at it. Anyways, I'll shut up and enjoy the video. This road, this little path that meanders back from the front entrance to the yard as you go into the yard and then take a left on the split, it kind of meanders back toward the west side of the yard. At one point there was a lot of Mopars, Plymouths kind of along the left side of this road. It's changed as it's been like 5 years since I had been to this yard. There's a lot more late models than I've ever seen back in here before, but I guess, to me, anything newer than probably 2000 is still new to me, even though it's 20 years old. Since I've been here. Late model stuff back in here. Let's see. I think. Mopar? Yep. Mopar. Yep, definitely overgrown. Lovely Wymore, Nebraska. Watts Auto Salvage and Repair. Oh, sorry. Watts Auto Repair and Salvage. Although I don't know how much he honestly does in honestly how much he does in freaking repairs these days, but now it's been probably 5 years since I've been to this yard, and it's staggering to see actually how much is filled in. But then you have stuff like a long roof here, and it's just the amount of old iron that they have sprinkled in this place is just kind of bonkers. The trick is, stuff's been moved around since I've last been here. So trying to find the cars that I'm looking for, namely 72 to 76 Ford Torinos, it's kind of crazy. Okay, I'm a little bit, okay, here we go. I missed my turn. Took the wrong turn at Albuquerque. Okay, I think could be wrong. Fun story. Got my stuff. Got my old Explorer stuck back here one time. Straight to the axles in mud, and managed to somehow claw my ass out of here. Oh God. Yep. Okay. Bad idea, wearing shorts to this junkyard. This is the craziest thing. Ooh. Oh. Damn. Oh. This poor Mopar. Oof. She. A bunch of satellites here. Oof. Alright. Now what I want to know is, there's that ring chair. He still has that ring chair. Nice to see. Comet sitting there in the weeds. I'm in the Plymouth section. It's just kind of crazy, the stuff they have out here in the weeds. Yeah, I'm definitely in the Mopar section, and I need to be over. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna walk down here. Anybody want a Grimmy? Okay. Ah, yes, okay. Now I'm recognizing where the hell I'm at. Although they have shifted stuff around. But it's been a while since I've been here. Ah, yes. That's what I'm looking for. But we'll come back to that. It's this one. Took the fender off of it. Had AC. I'm pretty sure this was one I grabbed. Oh. So I'm gonna grab the seats out of this girl. Huh, rear bumper actually looks pretty good on that one. Love coming out to this yard because it's just, for the most part, it's like time forgot. Yeah. Nothing really worth much on this old ranch here. Pretty well choked. Yeah. This blue 73 Ranchero 500. This one at one point was over at the other end of the yard. Oh, someone took the dash out of her. Left the wiring. Took the steering column out of her. Yeah. Oh well. Good old Nebraska Junkyard. It is just insane how overgrown it's gotten. Last time I was here, a lot of these trees were not this big. Old Jeep Willys. A couple of them out here. Sorry for the old lumpy bumpy camera. I do not have a gimbal, so fortunately I just have to deal with me plodding my ass through here. Okay. Let's see. Mercury Monterey. That Elite is still sitting down there. I'll have to check it out. Bing. There's certain cars in this junkyard that are kind of like old friends. And I get happy to see that they're still kind of hanging out here, even if they are worse for weather. This one in particular, these pair, it's nice to see that they are still intact. Well, the reason I came down was this red Gran Torino Sport. So I will pick up filming here in a little bit. Oh, the Rancheros are still there. Nice to see that pair still here. But we'll pick up a little bit more on the next video.